Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the 59-inch galvanized fire pit ring, a versatile addition to your outdoor adventures and gardening needs. Crafted from high-quality galvanized steel, this fire pit ring boasts a solid structure and excellent heat resistance, making it perfect for hosting bonfire parties or cozy campfire gatherings. Its unique round raised garden bed design features an open bottom for superior drainage, ensuring your plants thrive by absorbing nutrients more effectively. With an easy-to-assemble design, complete with gloves and a hand wrench, even those with no installation experience can set it up effortlessly, and its detachable nature makes cleaning a breeze. Whether you're camping, enjoying a backyard bonfire, or cultivating your favorite plants, this fire pit ring offers practicality and safety, allowing you to create lasting memories with family and friends. Its wide range of applications makes it ideal for wood burning and planting vegetables, fruits, succulents, and flowers in your garden or patio. So, elevate your outdoor experience with this reliable and multifunctional fire pit ring, and enjoy the perfect blend of warmth, convenience, and gardening excellence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.